This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Arneg launches PRISMA CO2 condensing units for small retail stores. By Polya Pencheva. Published May 1st, 2026. Italian manufacturer Arneg has launched PRISMA, a new series of transcritical CO2 condensing units, CDUs, with a cooling capacity of 2 to 40 kilowatts, 0.5 to 11.3 tons of refrigeration, designed for mini markets and small retail stores. The PRISMA line features units serving both medium temperature, MT, and low temperature, LT, cooling applications, as well as a unit serving only MT applications. The dual version offers maximum cooling capacities of approximately 16 kilowatts, 4.5 tons of refrigeration, in MT and 7 kilowatts, 1.99 tons of refrigeration, in LT, while the MT-only version of the unit can have 1 or 2 compressors and reaches a maximum cooling capacity of approximately 40 kilowatts. The system is designed to operate in ambient conditions up to 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance under the most challenging climatic conditions, according to Arneg. The new line features an integrated gas cooler with either axial or radial fans, enabling the unit to be installed indoors. The system also features heat recovery, allowing waste heat from the refrigeration process to be used for other purposes, such as space heating. Inverter control for both MT and LT compressors further optimizes performance by adjusting capacity to demand, reducing energy consumption and wear. The inclusion of an oil separator with an integrated reserve also supports operation and maintenance. Early impressions. Alberto Lucietto, technical engineer application at Arneg, told naturalrefrigerants.com that the units have already been installed in what he described as a variety of real-world applications, particularly in small supermarkets and cold rooms. We have gained solid field experience with several installations in key markets, such as Poland and Italy, along with additional projects across Europe, including Switzerland, Germany, and Portugal, Lucietto said. Lucietto also explained that even though the PRISMA is a new product, initial market response has been encouraging. In the second part of 2025, the company produced 21 units and has already received orders for 34 units for the first half of 2026, he added. Overall, PRISMA strengthens Arneg's offering by providing an efficient, sustainable, and easy-to-install solution tailored to the evolving needs of the retail market, said Lucietto. An expanding natural refrigerants portfolio. The PRISMA line was presented at Euroshop 2026, held February 22nd to 26th in Düsseldorf, Germany, alongside the company's other solutions, such as Osaka 3LX. OmniRing, a smart cabinet solution, showcasing Arneg's aim to develop efficient and responsible technologies aimed at reducing energy consumption and using natural refrigerants. Another recent addition to Arneg's portfolio is Faro, a line of vertical and semi-vertical plug-in refrigerated cabinets with glass doors. The units are equipped with integrated motors running on propane with a refrigerant charge of less than 150 grams. The cabinets are suitable for MT and LT applications, offering 2 heights and 2 depth sizes. European market trends. Arneg's new line of CDUs reflects a broader trend in the European food retail market, where smaller CO2-based refrigeration systems are rapidly being adopted. This trend is being driven in part by changing consumer preferences, with shoppers gravitating towards small-format grocery stores. According to Atmosphere's 2025 report, refrigeration, commercial and industrial refrigeration with natural refrigerants, 18,000 food retail stores in Europe used CO2 condensing units as of December 2025, a 24% increase year-over-year from 14,500. Atmosphere is the publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com. Data was gathered from systems manufacturers who were also asked about the capacity of their units. The majority that were used, 71%, offered between 11 and 20 kilowatts, 3.1 to 5.6 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity. A total of 10% offered less than 5 kilowatts, 1.4 tons of refrigeration, 9% offering between 5 and 10 kilowatts, 1.4 to 2.8 tons of refrigeration, and 6% offering more than 50 kilowatts, 14.2 tons of refrigeration. Among the major players on the European market for CO2 CDUs is Panasonic, Gaku Shimada, managing director of Panasonic Cold Chain Poland, told naturalrefrigerants.com in an October 2025 interview that the company had sold 7,000 CO2 CDUs in Europe. He estimated that the company has more than 30% of the European CO2 CDU market. In 2026, Panasonic is expected to launch its 1-horsepower CO2 unit, designed for small-scale MT or LT walk-in applications, including hotels, restaurants, and cafeterias. Beyond system manufacturers, component suppliers are also adapting to the rising demand. Sanhua began offering component packages for CO2 condensing units in December 2025. The packages include pulse expansion valves, smart sensors, heat exchangers, controllers, and safety valves.